Hey everyone, doing something that's a little bit unusual for me. Haven't done it in a while, and certainly haven't done it in years. Like, well, basically putting a backpack on and going for just a little overnight here in northern Florida. Now, it's no secret. I don't make it a secret. I'm a heat wuss. But, I lived here for about 6 years, kind of getting used to it. You know, you get to a point where you just need to get out and do something, you know what I'm saying? I'm sure a lot of you do. But anyway, we're going to head out to a spot that we've been to before, only because we've been scoping out places all day. You know, people, after the past year of all the COVID nonsense, people are just out everywhere, so we found like all kinds of great places to go. But we're settling in on this spot to try to get away from the crowds, have some peace. Maybe you'll recognize it, we'll see. So we're passing through the bottom of the red clay bluffs here. Maybe I'll recognize it from a previous video. Maybe I'll drop in some drone footage that I took a couple months ago. Pretty cool area. But got way too much Rick Springfield down here. So I'll find somewhere else for sure. Oh, Jason's taking the scenic route. I'm gonna go for a check the trail I've never been on before up here. Heck, the only reason I know it's here is because we camped and hiked down here before. Saw a jogger take this. But a little bit of a climb. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. So we gotta be rolling up on about like 1 o'clock right now, and we're starting to get those afternoon clouds rolling in. This, like I said, we're in northern Florida, but this summer started seeming like Central Florida. Pretty much rains every day. That's okay. We're ready, and when we do get to the creek, we know that wetness is in our future soon. Fully intend for a swim. So you're always going to get a weather report on my channel, and let me tell you, it is about 85, 86 degrees, probably about 65% humidity, and there is no breeze in these trees. But yeah, it's familiar, but it's a little different because last time I was here, it was in the winter. Just caught me off a little rest. Had to stop and get bit by mosquitoes for a minute. So yeah, we're almost at our camp, and Jason found a back way in. Look at that. Look at that. Here we are. Cool. Well, I don't know what's more blinding, this sand or my white skin. Okay, yeah, this is me for sure. Oh man. Oh, woo! Yeah. There we go. Oh, shit. Woo! Yeah. That's where it's at, man. So tonight I pretty much set up where I set up last time I was here. If you look back and see that video I did of the Nada Axe review and demonstration, this is exactly where I camped before. Again, I'm using a Hennessy, big Hennessy X-Fly. Ain't nothing getting on me tonight. So yeah, that's a pretty cool spot. I like it. Kind of far away from Jason. I'll go show you Jason's setup in a minute. And I gotta tell you, I'm really jealous of this location. I really am. This is so pretty, so cool. I think we'll build a fire here and pollute his campsite tonight. You all set up, bro?
I have crap everywhere.
Oh my God! What do we have here?
Camping in Florida in the summertime, bring a fan. I'm bringing a fan.
He brought a fan.
And it pushes. It really does push. The problem is it just doesn't hold a charge very well.
Right. Might be able to understand I'm a little bit jealous of Jason's site here. This is way, way cool.
Are you jealous of my fan?
A little bit. Yeah, right off the sandbar there. Nice, clear, sandy area. Beautiful, beautiful. So, looks like our man's back up in there now. Rocking an Eno. Rocking an Eno. A little fly on a separate ridgeline. Sweet. Take two. Alright, not much filming today, but yeah, sun has gone down. We've gone for a couple of swims, but it was pretty brutal on the trail. And the mosquitoes haven't been that bad this year, surprisingly, with all the rain. I was just out there collecting some firewood because we're idiots and going to have a fire. And they were pretty aggressive out there. But I see myself taking a swim in the morning. I've had something to eat. Jason's getting ready to do up some
All-American Works Burger.
we got a grumpy couple coming behind us. There's a shelter here on Juniper Creek trail back here. They come up from the direction we came and they're hollering at each other. Haven't heard much of them since, but anyway, probably not going to be doing much filming. We're just going to be, maybe I'll just give you a shot of the fire or something. What else?
Please, not a repeat of yesterday.
What's that?
No, I've got food in me.
Yeah. Oh, you ate today. Okay. Yeah, so my man got me up about 8:30. It was an all right night. I mean, I was comfortable enough. I always have problems falling asleep the first night that I'm out there. Then, you know, my shirt was wet and stinky and stuff like that. And, you know, after a couple of adjustments, I probably, you know, slept hard, really hard about 3 o'clock in the morning on. Then my man gets me up at 8:30. Yep, time to get up. But, so we've been doing the whole drag ass thing. Finally got our stuff ready to go. So we out of here. Yeah. I think most backpackers and whatnot will tell you, you know, what their favorite conditions for backpacking is probably about 50 degrees or so. But you know, you got that itch, man. It doesn't really matter what you're looking at. Whether it be like mid 80s, 90s, whatever like that, you're gonna go. But it's not ideal. I wanted to give a special shout out to my crew who makes sure I breathe properly and spritzes me with water, making it look like I'm sweating and working hard. You know, and the directors, you know, I try to fight them. And they say, look, dude, you need to do more rest stop sequences because people will be too intimidated by your athleticism. I say, okay, well, you know, we're trying to sell ads for YouTube here, right? So I guess that's what I gotta do. All right, I'm at the Red Clay Bluffs here. Give it a little look. I know you've seen it before, but oh yeah. Where you going, dog? Anyway, I'm letting Jason lead again. I thought we were taking the low road, but I guess not. There's a wagon. All right. All right. This is Nate. On behalf of all crazy people doing stupid stuff like hiking in the woods in Florida in the 90s. Just want to say, get out and do something. Be good to each other.
Bring a fan.